Since this course is packed with everything you need to learn digital marketing, let's start off with the basics by asking, what exactly is digital marketing? Basically, digital marketing is all about promoting a product or service online, whether it's a physical product like a hair gel, a service like haircuts, or a digital product like an ebook. If you are reaching people online, you are doing digital marketing. The key to success is learning how to put the right product in front of the right audience. And that is what the upcoming section called strategy will teach you. You will learn the 5 most important skills of digital marketing: market research, website building, SEO, email marketing, and Google Analytics. First, you will learn how to identify your audience through market research, understanding who they are and what they need. Then you will learn how to create a website that speaks directly to that audience and use SEO to attract them to your website. Then you will learn email marketing to build lasting relationships, and finally Google Analytics to get insights that improves results over time by understanding what's working and what isn't. By learning these 5 skills as a strategy, you will gain the knowledge needed for long-term digital marketing success. So in the next lecture, we will start off by learning more about the strategy by taking a look at what market research is and how it works. You will also get access to the included guidebook with hundreds of ChatGPT prompts to help you throughout the course. I hope you're excited. See you in the next lecture.